This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet secondary catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and engage the prop to hold the bonnet open. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Undo the screws securing the air filter cover, lift up the cover and disengage the locating lugs on the left-hand side. Move the cover to one side and lift the filter element out. Use a vacuum cleaner to clean out the air cleaner housing and cover. Fit the new filter element, noting that the rubber locating flange should be uppermost. Engage the cover locating lugs, then secure the cover with the two screws. Refit the air inlet duct where applicable, then reconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet and secure the prop in its stay. Close the bonnet.